BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So yesterday I posted that Microsoft Edge for Desktop had received a bug and performance fix update, and it also rolled out with the new sidebar settings page. Now, when I did post yesterday, there was nothing mentioned in the release notes regarding any security updates that we were expecting to see roll out for the Chromium platform, which the browser is based on, which had already rolled out for Chrome, Brave, Vivaldi, and we were still expecting Microsoft Edges. Now, just a quick video just to keep you updated that if you are using Edge, that the update that did roll out on the 16th of December, as I did post yesterday, does now include those all-important security updates from the Chromium platform. Initially, when Microsoft did roll out the update, they had not mentioned in the release notes that it did include those security fixes from the Chromium project, and have since upgraded their release notes. So just to double check again, if you have the update, as it does contain very important security fixes. The latest version and build you should be on now is 108.0.1462.54. As always, it's just that point release that contains those bug fixes. Also includes the new sidebar settings page, as I did mention yesterday, and I'll actually leave a link to that video in the description, as it will just give you a little bit more info regarding the sidebar settings page, and also now includes those all-important security fixes from the Chromium project. Now, just to do a quick recap onto what has actually been fixed, there are 4 high-risk vulnerabilities that have been addressed. Now, there were 8 security fixes that rolled out initially for Chrome. Edge has only updated with 4, and those are the 4 high-risk vulnerabilities that was mentioned in the release notes for Google Chrome. And all of those high-risk vulnerabilities that have been addressed are use after free, which is a common exploit in the Chromium-based web browsers. So just do yourself a favor, double-check your browsers up to date, as it is your first line of defense to the online world. So over and above now, as mentioned in yesterday, that we received those bug fixes, the new sidebar settings page, we also now, which has also now been included, those 4 security fixes that have rolled out for Microsoft Edge for Desktop. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.